Welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss the amazing effects of aloe vera on your face. Aloe vera is a popular plant known for its numerous health benefits. While it is often used for soothing sunburns and promoting hair growth, its benefits extend to skincare as well. In this video we will delve into the incredible effects of applying aloe vera on your face and how it can transform your skin. 1. Moisturizes and hydrates. One of the primary benefits of using aloe vera on your face is its exceptional moisturizing properties. Aloe vera gel contains a high water content, which helps to hydrate and nourish the skin. When applied regularly, it can prevent dryness and keep your skin soft and supple. 2. Soothes irritation and redness. If you have sensitive or easily irritated skin, aloe vera can be a game changer. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties help to calm redness, inflammation, and irritation caused by acne, rosacea, or other skin conditions. Applying aloe vera gel can offer immediate relief and promote a more balanced complexion. 3. Fights acne and blemishes. Aloe vera possesses antimicrobial properties that can combat acne-causing bacteria. Additionally, its gentle exfoliating properties help to remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and reduce the appearance of blemishes. Regular application of aloe vera can lead to clearer, smoother, and healthier-looking skin. 4. Anti-aging effects. As we age, our skin tends to lose elasticity and firmness. Aloe vera contains antioxidants, including vitamins C and E, which help to fight free radicals and slow down the aging process. By promoting collagen production and improving skin elasticity, aloe vera can reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. 5. Lightens dark spots and scars. Uneven skin tone, dark spots, and scars can be a cause of concern for many individuals. Aloe vera's natural skin lightening properties, combined with its ability to promote cell regeneration, can help fade these imperfections over time. Regular application of aloe vera gel can result in a more even complexion and a reduction in the visibility of scars. 6. Provides a natural glow. Aloe vera's hydrating and nourishing properties contribute to a radiant and healthy-looking complexion. It helps to restore the skin's natural pH balance and enhance its overall texture. By applying aloe vera gel regularly, you can achieve a natural glow that exudes vitality and wellness. Conclusion. The benefits of applying aloe vera on your face are numerous and well documented. From moisturizing and soothing to combating acne and reducing signs of aging, aloe vera is a versatile and effective natural skincare ingredient. By incorporating aloe vera gel into your daily skincare routine, you can experience the transformative effects it has on your skin, leaving you with a healthier, more radiant complexion. If you found this video educative, please kindly subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips.